Hello and welcome to our show, 60 Seconds with Sergio. I am your host, Sergio Cabanas, attorney at law here in Florida. Today's question is, Sergio, I already have an estate plan, already done, signed, sealed, and delivered. But I've heard that it should be reviewed every once in a while. Is that true? And if it is true, how often should it be reviewed? Well, let's start with understanding what an estate plan is. An estate plan is basically a collection of legal documents that establishes your instructions in the event of any tragedy, such as your incapacity or in the event of your death. These documents usually include a last will and testament, a living trust, and other important documents. When you think about it, we all create an estate plan based on the circumstances of our lives that exist at that time. For example, you may have already designated family members as beneficiaries in your estate plan. You may have also designated certain other people who you know, like, and trust to make certain decisions on your behalf or on your family's behalf in the event of your incapacity or death. But life changes. A Greek philosopher once said that the only constant in life is change. That was true in ancient Greece, and it is just as true today. There are marriages and divorces, births and deaths, and many other life changes that take place throughout any period of time. For example, you may have designated Uncle Harry as a beneficiary or as a trustee in a trust, but you may have changed your mind. These circumstances should prompt you to see an attorney who can help you make the changes that will work under your circumstances that exist now, not the circumstances that existed back then. Please don't try to make these changes yourself. Florida law requires that these documents be written correctly and properly signed with at least 2 witnesses. The same laws apply to any changes you may make to these documents. So if you try to make a change on your own, it may invalidate your entire document. Another consideration you should keep in mind is the fact that laws change over time, especially laws applying to wills and trusts and other important documents, such as tax laws. They change all the time. So, based on all of these factors, as a general rule, I would recommend that you review an estate plan every 3 to 5 years, unless you want to make a significant change for any reason because of life changes, in which case you should revise your plan as soon as possible. I hope this short video provided you at least some guidance about periodically reviewing your estate plan and the importance of doing that. Thank you again for joining me today, and as always, stay informed so you can stay strong.